You're listening to the
Layla
and Dad show. Oh, wait a minute. We were going to do something funny.
What?
Hold on a second.
Yeah,
Hold on a
I
second.
forgot.
Hold on.
You'll see, you guys. It's really funny. And all the viewers that's watching this, thank you so much. And please go check out my YouTube channel.
You're listening to the
Layla.
and Dad.
I want to hear it. Can I tell them my name on YouTube? So they can look at my YouTube channel? Can I?
Sure.
My YouTube channel name is Hey Lele. And there's no spaces in it, so don't search it with spaces.
Okay. So, Mimi was cleaning up the basement today, right? Because they're painting and stuff like that.
And they found something really cool.
Yeah. So,
And old.
I don't have a way to power this yet, but I'm going to try, and we're going to see what happens. But
I really want to see it too.
do you remember what this is?
An old TV.
An old TV. But it's tiny, right? It is let's describe it. It's a Bentley is the name of the brand.
Ooh.
What does it look like?
Mini baby TV.
A mini baby TV.
With a tiny little screen.
Look,
wait, that's so
you can
cool.
have it flat, or you can go
You can
up.
travel with that.
It is. It's a travel. Look. What's that say?
Portable. TV.
Portable TV. Okay, so I want to ask you some questions. First of all, it does take a power, and I'm going to try to get a way to power it. But in the meantime, because it's either is that a dead spider in it? Yeah, there's look at that dead spider.
Oh, gross.
Yeah.
Get it out, please.
So I can plug it in, and I have to see if I can find a way to plug it in, or 9 C batteries. Now I have some C batteries, but I don't have 9 of them, so I have to. We need 9. Now here's a question for you.
Buy some probably.
This was made in 1988.
Wow.
This is almost as old as me. Okay.
Wait, what year were you born?
1982. Okay.
Huh.
Now, this is a Bentley 4500 TV receiver. Okay. Now I want to ask you some questions. What's this part?
The TV.
Screen. That's a screen, right?
The screen.
Okay. Now, what do you think this is for?
A stand? Oh no, and get
Signal.
kind of like for a car. Like they have these pointy things. But why is it? Why can't I go down? Ooh, wait. Can I try myself?
Push. Yeah.
And then.
So you'd have to, depending on where you are, you'd have to angle it towards wherever the reception is coming from.
Oh, that's
Okay?
cool.
Because TV used to be that it was coming through the airwaves, basically.
Wait,
Okay? What do you think this is for? This dial.
To make it
So the
light
left
and
side
dark,
says
like
VHF, the right side says UHF, and it has a whole bunch of numbers. What do you think it is?
What? Wait, what heck things?
What? Stand up. By the way, you're standing on a pogo ball, which is also from when I was little.
I got it for Hanukkah,
Yeah,
and
you
it's
did.
cool.
Okay. What do you think this is for?
Can you bounce on it?
What do you think this is for?
I don't know.
This is how you change the channel.
What?
Yeah. So you would turn the
How
dial.
do you know which one you want?
You don't.
You just keep.
So,
keep going.
Yeah. So
until
right
you
now
find one?
we would be on channel 11 right now. So you see
wanna
this?
see
You see the
it.
2 lines in the middle going across?
Yeah.
So you have to put the number in the middle. So now I'd be on channel 70 UHF. And look, here's the selector you choose if you want UHF or VHF, and you have high and low. Depending on where you are in the world, you would have to figure it out, okay? Then you have bright, so this is the brightness of the screen. Okay?
So, Mommy said that she uses for traveling,
Mhm.
and she, every time she traveled, she was watching it, because this can, really go anywhere, basically, because you just have to get signal. That's it.
Yeah.
And
Look,
ads.
my thing keeps going on and off. That's what. That going on and off
Yeah,
over
it's
there?
kind of like a play button. Or is that a Google button?
So I have a Elgato Stream Deck, that's what that's called. And it's going on and off on me. I don't know why. I'm going to have to figure out why. I'm just clicking. Maybe make sure
Daddy's such a tech guy, and I'm happy about that.
Is there an
And
update?
Daddy's
There's
a
no update.
photographer.
Okay. All right. Now, the next thing on here is contrast. So you got brightness, so you can see how bright it is, right? the screen.
Yeah.
And you have contrast. So if you're in a sunny environment, you might want more or less contrast. If you're in a dark environment, you want
whenever
more or less.
I'm like on my iPad, like maybe say like at a park, and it's really sunny and really hot out, and then I can't see the screen because it's so light, so I have to turn the screen down very dark.
Okay.
So
Then you have this over here. Oh, this is what I turned already. Never mind. I already showed you that one. What else is on here? We got the little kickstand thingy, right?
yeah.
That's about it. We just gotta get some. We just have to get some power to turn it on. But that's,
and it's almost my birthday, just in a few days.
You're right. It is almost your birthday. It is. What else you want to talk about? What kind of party are you having?
A roller skating party.
Yeah.
There's gonna be a lot of people there.
A lot. Yeah.
A lot. Probably like 30.
Yeah. A lot of people.
And it's expensive.
When's that other tooth coming in?
I don't know. It hasn't been coming in for like a month.
Yeah.
It's really weird.
Yeah. Okay. Anything else you want to talk about? What did we do as Hanukkah presents around Hanukkah? What did we do?
I got to redo my room.
Yes, you redid your room. Where did we go though?
Medieval times.
Medieval times, yeah.
And I got this like yellow badge thing. Can you explain that? The sash, yeah. So that's what it's called. I keep saying it's a badge. It's weird. Because like I tied it around my waist, kind of like a sash. And it said, "I'm the queen of this tournament."
You got the queen of the tournament for the Yellow Knight.
And I got a flower. The knight kissed the flower and then gave it to me.
Our knight lost. The flower, yeah.
You still have it.
Yeah.
Never throwing it away, even if it died.
And our knight lost, though, right?
Yeah. I think the blue knight one?
I think the green knight
blue.
took out our knight, but then it was the red and yellow knight is who won. That's who won. Yeah. And then we also went to a science museum.
Oh, yeah. We got to, it wasn't a real heart or a real brain, but we got to, like, go in the heart and see, like, all the veins. But it wasn't, like, real. It was just, like, plastic. And for the brain, it was, like, an obstacle course. There was basically, like, strings and platforms that you jump on.
Yeah.
It was really cool. You guys should go there. It's really fun. And your kids would have the time of their life.
It's called Franklin Institute. It's in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
It's really cool.
Yeah.
If you guys have kids, then they're going to have the time of their life there and never want to leave. Because that will happen to my brother. He literally cried because he didn't want to go.
It's true. It's true. Let me see. Why is this flickering? I don't like that it's flickering. It just restarted on me when I pushed the button. That's gonna drive me bonkers.
Uh-oh.
It's gonna drive me bonkers. What else do you want to talk about?
Photographer sleeping here?
Your cousin sleeping here?
No, photographer.
Oh, a friend is sleeping here this week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's one of Daddy's photographer friends.
Mm-hmm.
And I never met him, I don't think.
Nope, not yet.
I'm excited. He's sleeping on an air mattress down here because we don't have any other bed.
Yeah. It's okay. He'll be comfy.
Yeah. At least he gets a bed.
Yeah. What else can we talk about now?
What do you want to talk about?
Let's do this. I'm going to pull up a random question.
Okay.
And then you're going to answer this random question.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is this like an app?
Maybe. What? What are you laughing like that for?
I don't know because I was just like laughing like that.
Layla. Okay. Do you think a hot dog is a sandwich?
No. If it was like sideways like that, with like the bun like this.
Instead of the bun being on the left and right of the hot dog, it had to be on the
like-
top and bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah, but can't you just turn the hot dog?
Yeah, but that's not how I eat it. I don't eat it that way. I eat it the right way.
Your cousin pizza upside down.
Huh?
Yeah.
Wait, Harper or Holden?
Holden. Yeah.
He eats pizza
Ethan, what a sandwich makes it when the bread's on the top and bottom?
Yeah.
Oh.
And when there's like stuff inside. Like
What's your favorite type of sandwich?
turkey and tiny bit of mayo.
Turkey and mayo? That's what Mommy likes. Mommy likes turkey and mayo.
Yeah,
But she likes putting lettuce on it. She likes putting onions on it.
No way.
You like lettuce sometimes?
Yeah, I do like lettuce, but like with dressing and like maybe I'll have a lettuce sandwich with dressing on it. That would be maybe.
Bacon, lettuce, tomato sandwich.
Boom.
You want a bacon sandwich one day?
Yeah,
We can get you. It's called a BLT, bacon, lettuce, tomato. It's delicious.
No, I want the bacon, egg, and then bread on the outside.
Bacon and egg and bread?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I want to have it right now. It sounds good now. Now I'm hungry for that.
You already ate, and you had dessert.
True. But I can have a little snack.
A little snack.
Puppy eyes.
All right. Should we sign off and say bye to everybody?
One more question.
One more question?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
I like these questions. Like, what app is this?
Mm-hmm.
Tell
What's the
them.
funniest name you can think of for a pet? Poopy? Come on.
Okay.
How old are you?
What?
Your brother is in the poopy stage.
Yeah.
Come on, think of a funnier name.
I need to sit.
They can't hear you if you're down there.
You can't hear me right now?
Oh, stop.
What do you think the goofiest name is?
I don't know. This is a question for you.
Goofy?
Goofy?
Yeah, like
That's the
the
funniest
guy in
name.
Mickey Mouse.
All right.
A weird name. Because like Goofy looks weird, like with his big nose and Mickey Mouse.
Okay.
So,
That's the answer?
yeah. What do you think?
I think Pablo.
Pablo?
Yeah, it's a funny name for just like pet.
Wait, in Spanish class not anymore, we don't do it anymore sadly, but I miss it. In second grade or first grade, if my Spanish teacher is listening, thank you for teaching me this because we love it. So we have Pablo. That's all I remember. There's 2 other people, but that's all I remember. And I think we had a gato. That's cat in Spanish, if you guys don't know. I forgot what dog is. What is dog?
No idea.
Is Pero a hat, I think?
I don't know.
I think Pero's a hat. If I'm close, then yeah. Yeah, so you guys comment some words if you can. Comment some Spanish words if you know any.
There's not really commenting in podcasts.
Oh.
So.
Then like the video. Funny.
There's no video. It's audio.
Then just, can they like it or subscribe or anything like that?
Yeah. They can give us a 5-star, and they can
Give us
and they can subscribe.
Give us at least 3 stars if
3?
what? Or
It
4.
goes up to 5. You want 5?
Then give us 5 stars if you know
Yeah.
Spanish words. I don't know. I don't
How about just give us 5 stars, even if you don't know Spanish words? I don't know many Spanish words.
You know?
Nope.
I want to teach my kids how to do Spanish, and even if I'm not a Spanish teacher, when I'm older.
Okay. All right. It's been fun chatting. You've been listening to the
Layla
and Dad show.